Hi guys, Kadyo na naman. You're watching M News. Opisyal na ang one-year partnership ng Motorcycle Riding School Philippines at ng Suzuki Philippines. Ito ay para mas i-level up ang local off-road scene. During the contract signing kasama si Ms. Edeline Yanilla ng Suzuki Philippines at Coach Mel ng MRSP at Sir Vince Lasatin ng Motomo Company ay nabanggit na may 8 Suzuki crossover motorcycles at isang V-Strom 250 ang magagamit ng school para sa rider training at adventure touring. Nag-share din si Coach Mel ng plans para sa moto camping sa east of Luzon kung saan matcha-challenge ang riders sa iba't ibang terrain mula river crossings hanggang technical trails, kompleto pa with bonfires at acoustic nights. Very meaningful ang deal na ito for both sides. Dinescribe ito ni Coach Mel as a full circle moment dahil isa siyang former Suzuki employee. Habang sabi naman ng Suzuki Philippines na long overdue na ang partnership na ito. Ang main goal talaga ay i-raise ang profile ng Suzuki off-road capabilities dito sa Pinas para ma-experience ng local riders yung power at versatility na sikat sa V-Strom at Suzuki crossover motorcycles. Yun lang po, ako po ulit si Kadyo and we'll see you next time.